Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A54 5G, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. So we can find it in the right edge, and we are going to make a few tries and let's see how it performs. So as you can see, you can only simply touch this sensor. You don't even have to hold it just like that. You can simply press on it once. I mean, you don't even have to press. You can just simply touch it just like that, and it will unlock your smartphone, and it works really nice for that price range in this smartphone. Today I tested also fingerprint sensor in Asus Zenfone 8, and to be honest, Zenfone 8 got a little bit slower sensor than OPPO A54, so that surprised me. And as you can see, it's reliable because it works every time, so definitely it's a strong point of this smartphone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.